'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Hold me like you've never done before. Hey, Barry here with song number 35, and what a beautiful one. Jet plane, leaving on a jet plane. Now help me with the artist, because I don't know the name of the artist, and so that'd be great if you do that down below. Now I simplify this as much as I possibly can so that anyone can play this song, but there's three things we always talk about. Number one, the chords. Number two, what is the song structure, kind of unravel things a bit. And then number three, what can we strum to make this song sound more interesting. And so let's dive right in to my little chords. We have the G chord, finger 1 on string 3 fret 2, finger 2 on string 1 fret 2, so both of them in the same fret, and then finger 3 on string 2 fret 3. That's a G chord. And then we're going to do the C, which is just underneath that. Look, if I make those changes, if I do that 100,000 times, then it's going to be way more easier to do it whilst you're playing the song. C, and then from the C, we have the D7. So it uses that C for the D7. So already you'd be lonesome, I could die. So from that C, you could put that bar of that D7 there. And so that's it for the chords. Now let's talk about the song structure. Now song structure, you'll see G and C is repeated quite a few times, 3 times before it goes to the D7, which is a full bar, D7. So we've got 1 and 2. Yeah, that's the song structure. It's straight 4/4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You could play either of the following, which is next is our strumming pattern. What do we strum to do here? We can just go, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or you could go, well, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So whatever works for you. Now, even more challenging, I would like to challenge some of you, because I know some of you are already falling asleep, but I'd like to challenge you. If you want to pick this, you're going to play a bar chord for that G. Well, my bags are packed, I'm to a C, ready to go. I'm standing here outside the door already. I'm so lonesome I could die. So they're all bar chords, and that will sound really nice too if you want to extend yourself and pick this instead. Great. So strumming pattern, you could go either one, quarter notes 2, 3, 4, or you could go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or you could 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E, or you could go picking. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So let's dive right into the song. Nice and easy one. We're gonna go quickly through this. And 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4, and my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door, and I hate to wake you up to say goodbye. See, I just added my second finger. But the dawn is breaking, it's early morn, and the taxi's waiting out, blowing its horn. Ready, I'm so lonesome I could die. So kiss me and smile at me. G, tell me that you to the sea for me. Hold me like you never did before. Now that's a song that literally goes and repeats around G, C 3 times and then ending with a D7. So we're going to play this song along from the top. And 1, I would like playing this on a 16th. It gives us a nice little feel for the song because it's ringing out, it's not choppy. It's a nice little I don't know, miss someone you don't know, or miss someone that used to be in your life, and this is such a great song to listen to that. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 3, and let's go. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door, wait to wake you up to say goodbye. But the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi's waiting, it's blowing its horn. Already I'm so lonesome I could die. And chorus, and kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, I hate to go. If you want to pick that, it will sound lovely, the dynamics between the strumming and the picking. Thank you for watching this little video. Song number 35, Jet Plane, and please download the song below, and also give me the artist name of this song, the original. That will be nice to know. And if you appreciate what I do here, I have a link where you can buy me a beer, and then you'll see me more often here making some of your favorite songs so that you can play along with them and love and have fun playing them. Take care now. I'm out.